Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter. Go to your glove box. There's 2 tabs in here. Lift up on them. This is going to bring this down. So we're going to pull down on each of these tabs. Just kind of work it across. And it comes out. And you can pull the air filter out. Notice the airflow is going down. So when you install the new one, you want that also to go down. So you just pull this out, and it builds up pretty quick as you get more debris from the outside coming into this. So we take that away, take a new one, and you would just match it up, make it go down. So then you're just going to have the tabs going down, line them up first. You're just going to push it in the 3 spots, and you're good. To put the glove box back, effectively just push it up. That's it. So that's how you replace your cabin air filter.